Hey everyone, in today's videos, you are going to learn 4 words actually, show, anyway, and obviously. These 4 words I'm going to talk about these 4 words, how to use this and where to use this by some examples. And please practice with me, and you have to practice with the mirror. Sit alone and speak aloud and make more sentences on these 4 words, so anyway, or obviously, and actually. You have to use these words every day, in everyday use. You can use if you speak Hindi, and if you speak in English, you can use in both of them. And you have to use, because these little words make your personality improve, make your speaking improve, and you feel good when you use all these words. You feel confident that you know something new in English, and these words make your standard up. And let's go to the topic. Hey everyone, I am NIBHA and I have started my journey of English learning, and today I am going to take 4 words. In previous video we are learning 4 words also. Well, in fact, all right, by the way, we learned these 4 words in previous video. Now we are going to learn 4 more words in today's video. Actually, so, anyway, obviously. These 4 words where I'm going to take some examples, and you have to practice, and you also make sentences by using these words. Let's go to the topic. First word is actually. I'm making some sentences on that word actually. Examples on actually. Actually, I love listening music. I have to go home. Actually, my mom is waiting for me. You are not ready. Actually, your mom and your parents are waiting for you. Actually, I love playing guitar, but my mom joined me piano class. And let's move to the second word, so. Some examples of so. So, it's all right for making mistakes. I invite her, so she is coming also. My friends surprised me on my birthday, so I got emotional. So you are coming with us? So you are ready for the performance? All the best. And let's move to the third word, anyway. She is very rude with mother. She is very rude with her mother. Anyway, we can't do anything. She invite me for the party, but I am not go. Anyway, I have to finish this project. I love to join English classes. Anyway, I have no money to spend on it. And let's move to the last one, is obviously. Obviously, I am not leaving you. Please don't worry. You are not leave me alone. Obviously, I am not going to leave you alone. She got a scholarship. Obviously, she is going to leave this city. You are so worse. Obviously, this is because preparation of your examination. I understand. I hope you all like all these sentences and enjoy this video, and I hope you are interested to learn English. And I am also a beginner and try to make myself improve myself every day, little by little, and I practice myself, and whatever I learn I shoot video and uploaded this. And if you want to improve your English, improve your personality, improve your become like a professional speaker, please connect with my journey. I'm trying every day little step, and making my speaking is one step ahead every day. And thank you so much watching my video. Thank you.